Hey everyone, my name is Antonio and welcome to my money journey. Here on the channel, I share my journey in the world of trading. And today, we are kicking off a brand new series here on the channel, answering the most common questions from people who are just starting out or thinking about getting into trading. If you are here wondering, what is trading? What's the difference between a trader and an investor? And what types of trading exist? You are in the right place. Stick around until the end because this video I'm gonna help you understand everything in a simple and straightforward way. Are you ready to start this journey? So let's get into the video. The word trade literally means exchange or commerce. Trading as a practice of exchanging goods and products has existed for thousands of years. Since the ancient trade routes like the Silk Road and maritime trade in the Mediterranean, people have always looked to profit from price differences between regions. Now, trading as we know it today, with stocks and financial assets, really started to take shape in the 17th century with the creation of Amsterdam Stock Exchange, the first stock exchange in the world. From there, trading just kept evolving. We had the London Stock Exchange, then Wall Street's New York Stock Exchange, and today with technology, anyone with a computer or just a phone can trade in the financial markets. These days, we trade not only stocks but also currencies, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and all of this happen in real time. When we talk about modern trading, we are talking about buying and selling assets with the goal of making a profit from price fluctuations. The market has changed, but the essence is still the same. The trader is always watching price, buy low and sell high, or even do the opposite, sell high and buy back lower later, what we call short selling. In short, the goal is always the same: make money from market movements. Pretty cool, right? Now, you can see that trading isn't some recent trend, it's just modernized. Now, there is a question almost everyone has in the beginning. What is the difference between a trader and an investor? Let's say you bought shares of Apple. For example, the investor is going to hold on those shares for years, thinking about earning dividends and long-term appreciation. It's the famous buy and hold strategy. Now the trader, they want to know how the price will behave in the next few hours, days or weeks. They want to get in and get out quickly. To put in simple terms, it's like the trader is a one-night stand, while the investor is a serious long-term relationship. The investor thinks a long-term, the trader thinks about the moment. And here is where most people start to get confusion. But don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. Start with day trade. As the name suggests, these are trades that start and end on the same day. No matter what happens, the trader closes all positions before the market close. It's pure adrenaline. It's take a lot of attention and it's usually the most popular style among beginners. Then we have the swing trade. Here, the trader holds the positions for a bit longer, anywhere from few days and few weeks. It's more relaxed compared to day trading, allows for more analysis and doesn't require you to sit in front of the screen all day. Next, the position traders. These are traders that can last months. The trader analyzes macroeconomic scenarios, long-term trends, and is way more patient. It usually involves less stress, but also fewer trades per month. And finally, we have scalping. That involves multi-trades within the same day, aiming for tiny price movements, often just seconds or minutes long. Speed is everything in this style. It's important to remember that each type of trading has its own risks profile and requires different strategies. So it's not a good idea to try doing everything at once. So that's it, guys. Now you have got a solid foundation to understand what trading is, the difference between a trader and an investor, and the main types of trading. Now tell me in the comments, did you find these trading concepts complicated or easy to understand? If you enjoyed the video, consider leaving a like to support the channel and make sure to subscribe here to my money journey, so you don't miss any future videos. In the next episode of this series, we will talking about the propping tables. So stay tuned. Thanks a lot for making part of this journey, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.